In this video, we're going to cover how to ensure that your Bluetooth headphones or earbuds are connected to your device and that the audio is routed correctly. Most audio apps, including this one, do not directly manage Bluetooth connections and don't have permissions to do so. Instead, iOS manages those connections and routing of audio to your preferred headphones or speakers. There are two steps to using new Bluetooth headphones or earbuds with an audio app. The first step is pairing them with your device, which this video does not cover, as the process can vary by manufacturer. Your headphones should come with instructions for how to do this. Once they are paired with your device, they will be available for connection. To connect them, first ensure that they are powered on. Then, swipe diagonally from the top right corner of your screen to open the iOS Control Center. Then, tap the connectivity controls to open them. Then, tap the Bluetooth button to open the Bluetooth connection screen. Here, you will see all the Bluetooth devices that are paired with your phone or iPad. Scroll down the list until you find the headphones or speakers you want to use. When you find them, look at their connection status. If their status is already connected, then your phone or iPad should be able to send audio to them. If their status is not connected, check that they're powered on and then tap them to initiate the connection. If the Bluetooth device is powered on, you should see the status change to connected after a few seconds. Once they've connected, iOS should route the audio from any audio app to your Bluetooth device. If they are connected, but the phone isn't sending audio to them, look for other devices that may also be connected, as iOS may be sending the audio there instead. We can see that I have headphones and speakers that are both connected. There are two ways we can get iOS to route the audio to the correct Bluetooth device. The first is to tap one to disconnect it. This doesn't unpair it, it simply disconnects it. We can disconnect the speakers by tapping them. The speakers are now disconnected, so iOS should route the audio to the headphones. Let's go ahead and reconnect them by tapping them again, so I can also show you the other way to route the audio. The second way to tell iOS which connected Bluetooth device to use is with the iOS AirPlay controls, which you can launch from within Neural Stack. Let's exit the iOS Control Center by tapping anywhere on the screen to exit each menu level. Now, let's tap the AirPlay button in the upper left corner to open the iOS AirPlay controls to see the other way we can select the desired Bluetooth device. The iOS AirPlay controls displays only the current connected audio devices. We can select the headphones here without having to disconnect the speakers in the iOS Control Center. Now, iOS knows that we want the audio routed to the headphones. We can tap outside the window to close it. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.